Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a Twosun knife that I would like to share with you. This is the TS89-G10. This will be one from the budget offerings. Nowadays we also see some higher priced Twosun knives with M390, of course. This one will be just in plain G10, if that could be said, plain G10. Well, this is a G10 version, which Twosun offers also a full titanium, should I say, titanium frame lock with a blade, of course. So this is a Wong design, which is the second in-house designer, if I can say so, for Twosun. The main designer is, of course, Night Morning. Lots of designs, probably around 100 he made for Twosun so far. Not all were made, of course, but yes. Okay, so let's see the specifications. This is a larger knife, of course. So we have an all length of 22.5 centimeters or 8.8 inches. The blade length is 9.7 centimeters or 3.8 inches. The blade material is D2, satin finished. The blade thickness is 3.8 millimeters or 0.15 inches. The blade width is 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch. The blade length is, the handle length is 12.8 centimeters or 5 inches. The handle thickness is 1.7 centimeters or 4.6 inches. The handle width is 2.6 centimeters or 1 inch. And the handle is made of stainless steel, a liner lock, plus G10 and titanium sculpted pocket clip. So really nice knot. They are putting the 3D milled titanium pocket clip on the majority of their knives. Some of them will also come with a custom or customized or custom made, custom designed pocket clip, but this is really nice to see. And just a reminder why I am always saying this is because of this old style bandit, really stiff piece of steel they have used in the past. Or is it? It has a little bit of magnetic, I don't know, maybe it's titanium, but come on, it's something really hardened titanium or some low chromium, low carbon steel, I don't know. So this was in the past. This is now a huge step up. I have to say, I did talk with Twosun and did said them that those old clips are really bad. They should change them, and beautifully they obliged and they did. The next step for me personally, what I would like to see, if they would also use the wire pocket clips like we have them on some Spyderco designs and on Jens Enzo and Voxnace. All of those makers are using the wire clip. So yes, this is a functional, really nice on the larger side, I would say EDC, and also partially tactical because of the reach. Let's test the sharpness out, of course. nicely sharp, excellent sharpening skills from Twosun. It has a nice false edge on both sides. We have the Wong logo there, D2, and Twosun logo there. So the liners are not milled out. I don't know why. They could reduce, or are they? Sorry, there are. There is a little bit milling. Let's zoom in and see. Yeah, they are nicely polished and milled out. So, but only on the presentation side. You will get your standard customized pin, so pivot screw. So all in all, good things. So now let's see some size comparisons. So I'm taking out once again the 111 from Twosun knives. Still one of the most favorite designs from Twosun by far. And we have the 940 from Benchmade. Bug Vantage Pro in S30V XL knife. And Dura 4 from Spyderco. Large reptilian Benchmade. And also Delica. And while we'll have it here on the table, the TS89-G10. I forgot to mention that the weight of the knife is 141 grams or 5 ounces. It has a liner lock, and of course it rides on ceramic ball bearings. And because of a larger size, so I also have here the 710 from Benchmade and the Recon one from Cold Steel. They are more in line with the size. If you own either of them, they will be probably by now know the blade to handle ratio. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to leave comments down below. Price wise, like I mentioned, this is a more a budget offering, so you are looking at a price around $45, depending obviously of course where you are buying it. You can go and check out the eBay resellers for Twosun. There are 2 of them, and just bid there and just wait. If you don't win the auction, then just go to the next one. They usually release items on daily basis. Also, you can search on AliExpress. I don't know if currently this model is available on there, but probably it will down the road. So just check them out. And if you're a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to publish at least 3 videos per week, mostly knives and gear oriented, but sometimes also Warhammer and army painting, miniatures, hobby stuff of course. Okay, so thanks for watching, see you soon and have a nice day. Bye.